up in the air, and I run around this town and act like I don't care. So when you see me flying by the planet's moon, you don't need to explain if everything's changed, just know I'm just like you.
Got a man, I don't care, that's irrelevant. Known for making bad decisions for the hell of it. Young Skizzles, taste the rainbow, but that's so beside the point and sitting next to it. Got a blonde girl with sass that I think named Haley, and she knows I always handle her like Chelsea lately. Look, bitch assy, I'm staring at you. Top floor, penthouse with the aerial view. It's scary.
These the colors you have, no need to be sad.
No need to be sad.
It really ain't that bad.
It really ain't that bad. Yeah.
These the colors you have.
Assholes and beer pong connoisseurs, CEOs, interns, unemployed entrepreneurs. I love them all. The hipsters, the fashionistas. Stay outside of beef, took a liking to Peter. My mom's Mona, her mom took a liking to Lisa. My dad's a shopaholic, he took a liking to visas. I show them my tunes, and they like what they seeing. They really drug test, they don't like what I'm peeing. Penthouse, pedestrians I'm defeating. They asked and remember I wanted a Nissan. Had to change phones, these hoes call a lot. Horse lifestyle, bitch, I call a shot. See me flying like an eagle, save the cave. Gay marriage is legal, but my vodka straight. Promise I never sell out like eBay. I'm just trying to make my fam proud like Dejanay. Hey,
these the colors you have, no need to be sad.
No need to be sad.
It really ain't that bad.
It really ain't that bad, yeah.
These the colors you have, no need to be sad. You still got your
So, look, all the girls who wanna look twice when I arrived, now they look thrice when I arrive. Now it'll be a